Wait. Before we go any further on the intro, what I need you to do is open up a tab on your phone or your laptop and look for one of these. This is an OBD2 sensor. Make sure you get one of these. It's only about 20 bucks. Make sure you get one that is compatible with your phone, Android or iPhone. Do this. This is going to save you a lot of time. And I'm going to tell you why you need to stop doing a certain thing on the SCION forums. Look for this. Also, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Now, roll that intro. All right, so now welcome to Oil and Gears. Today we're going to talk about the OBD2. You need one of these because one thing that you need to stop doing, and I've seen it over and over and over again, is you're asking questions about the three lights that come on your dash that nobody can help you out unless you have one of these or you go to the auto parts store and they get the codes from your car. So please stop going to the forums, posting a picture of the three lights and asking what is wrong with my car. Because guess what? You're going to get tons of answers and you're going to get tons of feedback that is unnecessary to fix whatever's wrong with your car. Because there could be a numerous amount of things that the OBD2 could tell you just by searching for the code. This is going to help you out. Now, before you even ask questions on a forum, get the codes first. Again, get one of these, get the codes first, then ask the questions. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the P0420 code, and that code is what I got on my first gen SCION XB a couple of weeks ago. Now, this code tells you that the catalytic converter is going bad or your O2 sensors are bad. So these are probably the main ones that will cause this code to pop up. And as I was driving down the highway, I could see the check engine light popped on. I plugged this in and on the phone, it told me exactly what was going on. So to check your O2 sensors, you want to use this and it'll show you the wavelengths for your upstream and downstream O2 sensors. And this will give you a good idea of if it's your O2 sensors or your converter. So with your upstream sensor, it'll do one of these numbers. With your downstream sensor, it's usually about 0.5 that'll stay across. And if you're not getting any readings for those two sensors, then it's bad. So you'll need to change those. But I had checked mine and they were fine. So even if your converter is, clogged at least 5 or 10% and is running at like 89%, then the code is going to pop up because the converter is supposed to last, the life of the car. And so one thing that you can do is use Cataclean, and that's what I did. So here's a video of me actually using Cataclean on my first gen SCION XB. You can usually go to any auto parts store, but I would recommend going online and looking at what auto parts are closest to you that have it. So what you're going to do is you're going to run your car until you have 4 gallons left. So with the SCION XB, it's going to be right below the halfway mark of the fuel. And that's because SCION first gen XBs are about 11 gallons. So you're going to run your fuel needle to about a little lower than half a tank, because that's going to be about 4 gallons. So you need to have 4 gallons in your tank. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour the whole bottle into your tank, and then you're going to run your car for about 15 minutes and then refuel all the way to the top. So you're going to fill up your gas tank. Then drive your car like normal all the way to empty, and then you're done with the Cataclean cycle. Well, there you have it. So I did the Cataclean solution and the full cycle. Keep in mind, when I poured the bottle of Cataclean into my gas tank, I made sure to clear the code. Once I did the full cycle and I filled up my gas tank and ran it to empty, the code never returned. Now keep in mind that this is not going to clear this code every time. You do have to check your O2 sensors as well. So make sure you get an OBD2 scanner, check the codes. Do not ask questions of just about the lights without knowing the codes. And I promise you, we'll know a better understanding of what's going on with your car when we know the code and not just knowing that you had lights. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!